put the recording in here too. Let's hit upload. All right. So talk to me about how you feel about our session today.
Um,
And talk to an agent. Let me use this as a testimonial. We just did a whole comprehensive strategy session regarding where you are, where you need to be, the homework that you need to have, how to get the support that you need. We figured out all of the holes, all of the missed opportunities, all your hot lead strategies. You know what I mean? All
right.
of it. So I want to know, how do you feel about what we went through? The fact that we could have been through this a long time ago if you just let me know. But nevertheless, you know what I'm saying? We're better in position now.
Right.
But this is the difference between a course and a membership. You know what I mean? And so
Okay.
let me know, let the agent know that's thinking about whether or not they're, if you are a member of the Fix My Broken Virtual Life Insurance membership, make sure you get your strategy session. So,
Okay. Well, yeah, this strategy session today was
well,
phenomenal.
wait, you got to introduce yourself and say Stacy
Oh,
and you got
sorry. Oh, okay. We ready? My name is Diane Brown, and I am a member of the Fix My Broken Life Insurance business with Stacy Daniel. And I had a strategy session with Stacy today, which was quite eye-opening. Um, First and foremost, I learned that the Fix My Broken Life Insurance business is not a course; it's a membership, and I had been using it all wrong. So, so Stacy set me straight. She got she gave me homework. Oh my God, there's a whole page of homework. I got a lot of work to do, but it explains why I'm not getting the results now that I want to get. So I suggest to you, you do the strategy session right up front so you head off in the right direction in the beginning and get to where you want to be.